Have you ever wondered why people say bless you when you sneeze? Well, this habit goes way back to ancient times. In the 6th century, when the plague was spreading, Pope Gregory I suggested saying, "God bless you," to protect people from getting sick. Some also believed that sneezing could make your soul leave your body, or let evil spirits in. Saying bless you was like a quick protection spell. Today, it's just a polite reflex, but now you know the weird and fascinating history behind it. Follow for more quirky facts.